So today we will be reviewing the diapering clutch from Bumco Baby. Hi, I'm Shen and welcome to Mama Banana, where I share hacks, tips and reviews on fun organisational products for mamas. So today I'm going to be reviewing the Bumco Baby diapering clutch. So I'm going to go through all the features with you, and I'm also going to share some hacks and tips on how to use this more efficiently. And then I'm going to pack this up so you can see how much you can fit inside this little clutch. And I'm also going to put this into a couple of the diapering bags just so you can see size wise how well it fits. Okay, so let's get straight into it. Okay, so this is the Baby Bumco diapering clutch and it is about 11 inches long, so it's a really generous size, and it has a nice wide base so you can fit a lot into this little bag. And on the front here there is access to a wipes pouch, and this actually comes with 2 wipes pouches. And then it's just a regular zip top opening. I have this in the black and white print, and it comes with gold metal hardware. There is a D-ring on either side of the bag, which makes this so handy, and it comes with a double swivel clip so you can detach and attach this onto whatever you want, like loop around a stroller. And then on the back there is a zippered pouch. Okay, so it's just great for organising. This is a really deep pocket, it goes all the way to the bottom, and it actually extends further than beyond the zip, so it goes all the way across the whole bag, so it's really, really handy. So it feels very durable and heavy, like this will really last you. Okay, and then on the inside there's a white pouch, but there is a piece of fabric that separates the bag, so it separates out where the wipes pouch goes. And then this is the main section where the whole base opens into. So I'm going to pack this up as if both my kids are still in diapers. So I have a 10-month-old baby and a 2-year, 4-month-old toddler, and my toddler is actually just potty training right now, and she just moved out of diapers, but I'm going to show you how much we can fit in here. Okay, so when I go out I usually like to bring 2 to 3 diapers for my baby, and then 1 to 2 for my toddler. So I'm going to put 4 in here. Okay, so this is size 3 and size 5 diapers. Look this way. Okay, and it fits nicely. And I also obviously have my bum barrier cream. Just a quick tip, okay? I have this Vaseline tub and I've refilled it with the Panthen, but I love using anything where the lid is attached, so it's a flip lid, so I don't have something else to be looking for when I'm changing diapers when out. Just find it much easier. Then I'm going to add a mat. I know you can use disposable mats, which will take up less space in your diapering clutch, but I just find that it's not as soft of a surface for my daughter to lie on. Okay, so I have actually a medium size changing mat here, and that fits in here. Okay. And then I have a tip for you, okay? I like to include a long strap, alright, in this bag so that I can change my baby hands-free. Okay, what I do is I have this long strap from a Be Set piece from Jujube. I just clip this onto one side, and it's the side where the zipper closes to, and then I'll just quickly roll this up and I'll tuck it into the bag itself in here. Like that. And then I'll zip over with this tucked in as well so that it's not in view. Okay. And then when I do need to go change my baby, then I'll just whip this out and I will quickly flip this onto the other side, and I can just throw the diapering clutch over my shoulder so both my hands are free. And another quick tip, alright, is I like to put the wipes pouch in upside down, okay? And I'll show you how easy it is to take this wipe pouch out. Okay. and I'll put this in upside down. And when it's upside down then and you have this hanging over your shoulders, then the lid will just stay open and it won't be in your way. To be fair though, even if I had this the right way around, the lid does kind of stay open, so it's not a big deal at all if you have it the right way around. But if I was putting this into the BFF, I'd have the bag laying flat like that within, so I'd like to keep it this way so that the lid will stay open. It's just easier for me. So here I have the Be Classy from Jujube. Okay. And look, it's in matching print, but there is lots of room in here. Here I have my Alice Unique bag. I absolutely love this. If you'd like to see a review of this bag, then I will include a link in the cards up above here. Just click on that, and I'll also include a link in the description box below. Okay, so this fits in here nicely as well. And this is the mini version, okay? So then here I have the BFF from Jujube. At the bottom there, I just have all the straps because I'm actually using the Alice Unique diapering bag at the moment. Okay, that fits in there quite nicely, and then you can still access and use all the wipes while it's sitting here. Or this is how it fits vertically. So it fits very nicely into this bag. I also have Super Bees, Be Light, Hobo Bee. I think that's it from Jujube. So if you'd like to see how this packs up into the other bags, then let me know in the comments down below. So final thoughts on this bag. I absolutely love this bag. It is really well made. It's a nice big size, and the fact that it fits enough diapers for 2 in nappies is amazing. I wish I had this from the beginning. Even when I had one child, it just would have made everything so much easier because it can fit so much, and it's machine washable, and it's of this material. Is like, feels like a raincoat. It's very heavy duty. I think that it will take a lot of wear. I got this for $20 on Amazon.com. I will include an affiliate link down below. Now this actually cost me a lot more, probably about 45% more, because I have to pay shipping and taxes for it to come to Ireland. But even at that, like, it is well worth it. I highly recommend this for any mom with 2 in diapers, or with a wriggly baby, or any mom in general. It just makes everything so much handier. Right, I love this little white pouch. It's brilliant. I have the one from the white pouch, and the opening on that is really small, which means that, like, if the next wipe doesn't automatically come up, like sometimes with the water wipes, they don't all come out, popping out like that, then it just makes it harder to access. But with this big access opening, the next wipe tends to come out very easily. Love this, and it's nice big opening. So if you have your hands full and you have a wriggly baby when you're changing them, it just makes it that much easier. If you'd like to use a diapering clutch and have all your diapering needs in just a one little bag, it means that your wipes are inside as well. So every time you need wipes, you either have to take it out, or you have to have another pack of wipes in your bag. Because you have access to the wipes on the outside, this one wipe pouch is perfect. It's so handy. It's actually a game changer, and it is just such a good size. And if you do have a long strap, especially from a B set from somewhere, do hook it on. It makes it so much easier. I've actually created another video on hacks and tips for changing your baby when out, so I will include that in the cards up above and in the description box down below. There's loads of tips in there, which I hope you'd enjoy. So for more videos like this with more hacks and tips and product reviews, please do hit the subscribe button down below. I need to have 1,000 subscribers before I can monetize this channel, so I have a long way to go, but I'd really appreciate your support. So I hope you enjoyed this review of the Baby Bumco diaper changing clutch. If you did, please do give it a thumbs up, and I'd love to hear from you in the comments down below if you have any questions at all, or if you'd like any more size comparisons, or to see how this fits into any other diapering bag. Do let me know in the comments down below. So until the next video, thank you and goodbye.